Let's go! Look at that idea. That guy is watching me. He said, what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? I'm like, boy, don't run away. We all share this land. Do your do, I'll do my do. Everyone go steady. The deer sense my peace, so he doesn't go nowhere. He was just standing there looking at me. So what is this guy doing? You should be fearless. You have a higher spirit with you, always. You just gotta overcome fear. When you overcome fear, they don't sense it from you. Come on. We got this. All day, every day. Happy Wednesday. Let's go. Ah.